Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy messy updo in less than a couple of minutes. I've started by leaving some hair out to frame the face, and then I've just divided the hair from ear to ear, going in an upside down U shape. Now all I'm going to do is secure this into a high ponytail, but on the last turn of the elastic band only pull the ponytail part way through, so you've got a little loop. Then gather up the remaining hair at the bottom, smooth it out until it gets as close to that first ponytail as possible, and repeat that same loop so you've got all tail ends pointing towards the front of the head. Now all we're going to do is split that little loop on the bottom ponytail in half, bring those tail ends down, and then just secure them with a couple of bobby pins underneath. And then just repeat this on the top loop. So again, split that top loop in half, smooth out those tail ends and bring them through the middle of that loop, and then just pin them underneath with a bobby pin or two. Now all we're simply going to do is take random sections of each of those loops and then just pinch and pull them into opposite directions, securing each side as you go. So grab a couple of sections, bring one to the left and one to the right and pin each side down. And it really is as simple as that. We're just going to take all the different loops and twists from this style, pull them in opposite directions and secure to the head. Once you've finished doing that with the bottom ponytail, repeat these steps on the top ponytail as well. There's no real rhyme or reason as to which way you pull them, just go by what looks best. Once you've got everything pinned down, just spend a few minutes securing the side of the little bun to the head so it's nice and secure. It really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.